Hey friends, my name is Veer and welcome back to my channel Dynamic Veer. I'm back with a new video. As you know, we tend to play more board games in lockdown. So, this is an electronic dice that I thought to make as it was my vacation. So, I am made a digital dice. So, I have made it with an Arduino, 6 LEDs and 6 resistors, and here is the circuit diagram. So these are my LEDs and the positives are connected to these resistors and they are connected to the pins of the Arduino, which are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So they are called input output pins, and the negatives, so the ground of them are connected together and then they are connected to the Arduino's ground. So this is my project, and I have used a random generator so that it generates numbers from 1 to 6 and it displays them like first, then it will turn on the first LED that ways. So let me show you the demonstration of my project. So the first number is 6 here. 1, 4, 2, 6. So it generates numbers randomly, and there's a program for it. So so if you want, you can add it. You can add a tag switch here so that you can control when it gives us the output, and you can also put it into a small PCB. So if you can make it more portable. So this is my project, and I worked on it as it was my vacation. And I have designed the entire project and circuit. So you can send me some suggestions for some other projects in the description, in the chat box, and you can comment for it. So thank you. Hope you liked my video. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe, and ring the notification bell given down below. Subscribe.